the African Union, is it supporting ZANU-PF? Is it partisan in terms of the parties that it supports? And if MDC is unorganized, as you mentioned, what do you give them as advice as African Union? Do you also represent them to allow them to be able to be organized?
Like I stated, we would like to have an effective opposition in Zimbabwe. It is healthy for our democracy. So it is disappointing when we see what could have been a very effective Zimbabwean opposition just not getting itself together. So we are stating the fact, we support the government of Zimbabwe, whether it was Mugabe or President Mnangagwa. Where we are today, we have a system in place, we have a new government in place. We would like to see the Zimbabweans give this new government a chance.
My question is the African Union, are they organized? I think they are one of the most useless organizations. Okay? No offense, but I think there's, with all the corruption and the injustices in Africa, they espouse those things, okay?
I think it's important that first and foremost, when I listen to those who claim to be Africans, you're also forgetting that you are the African Union. The African Union is as strong as its people. First and foremost, membership in the African Union is voluntary. Countries are members of the AU because they choose to be members of the AU. Secondly, the AU has no sovereignty as a union, but the individual countries do. So we play a supportive and advisory role to the countries, but at the end of the day, the countries have got to make their decisions. One. Secondly, when you talk about being disorganized, I go back to what I just said, the 6th region.